Well, welcome to Kim Gems, and this is Kim Evans. Oh, wow. On this glorious, glorious day, actually it's on a Sunday, I am Kim Evans. I am the proud owner of Two Gorgeous Integrated Health and Wellness of 26 years and a holistic wellness and business coach. So welcome to Kim Gems. So on this Kim Gems, I wanted to share with you the power of self-care and taking a moment out to be in nature. On this beautiful day, on this Sunday afternoon, I want to encourage you lady entrepreneurs to take the time out, relax, and to breathe, and to be in nature, and to be at one with God. It's so serene. It gives you peace of mind. It brings clarity. It brings focus. You get a natural tan. And you know, at least 15 minutes of sun every day is just a beautiful, natural, perfect amount of vitamin D. As you just sit here. And you know, one thing I just like to share is as simple as surrender. Giving thanks to God for the skies, for the sun, giving thanks to God, just being present, or having a voice, to having health, to having breath, and just having a beautiful mind to think. So today, take the time out and just be in quietness. Let's talk about that. When you're just in quietness, take a journal out and begin to write and silence your mind. Turn your cell phones off, turn all of your electronic devices off, and just be at one with nature, be at one with the universe, be at one with the Almighty. And this is how you begin to do that. Silence your mind, and then you just open up your mind, begin to thank God for the amazing blessings in your life, and then allow Him to give you the download that you need as you are absorbing the rays and breathing the outdoors and the peace of mind and the serenity in any kind of surrounding that you choose to be, whether that's a walk in the park or a hike or just in your backyard like this. This is a vacation to be in the backyard amongst the trees, amongst the birds. Surrender. And then you begin to write down the thoughts that God has given you. So what are you surrendering to? Ask the question. In order to make your next move or your next shift in your life, ask the question. What are you needing to surrender? And allow the universe to speak to you. You're asking something to get to the next in your life, and you have a block or a hindrance, or you feel as though that you can't move. Come on out and surrender, and just have peace of mind and allow God to implode and to give you a download. And ask the question, what do you need to surrender? And watch how God will move in your life. Now, after you ask that question, then you go into a thankfulness and start thanking for either that answer, thanking for the manifestation that's about to happen. Thank you for the network opportunities that God is about to align you with, or to thanks for that next six-figure idea that's getting ready to come up here. So anywho, I just thought to entertain you and to invite you into my little piece of serenity as I'm going to finish getting my vitamin D today and allowing myself to surrender to see what God has in store for me. So if you would like to get in contact with me, let's book a discovery call. And you can click the link below and set up a time. And I have complimentary strategy business calls. Secondly, we can work together. I offer 60 days and 90-day coaching, or you could be a part of my new online Unstoppable group program. But even before that, I wanted to let you know that I am doing an online virtual course. Actually, it is on June the 25th for unstoppable lady bosses that are ready to take their next yes from the gifts to the marketplace. All right, you guys. Peace out. This is Kim Evans. Bye for now.